once the project is opened in Visual Studio Code, the first thing that we are going to do is install React Navigation. So visit reactnavigation.org and open the documentation. And to install, you can use npm or yarn. Let's copy this one, open terminal on your project, then paste the installation code. Then we also have to install the dependencies for the Expo managed project. Let's copy this one and paste in terminal. Okay, then we move to Hello React Navigation and install React Navigation native stack. Then let's try out the this example. Let's copy this one and paste it inside our app.js. Then start the project. And run it on our Android device. Okay, so this is the home screen. Then let's create, instead of displaying the home screen component inside app.js, let's move this into a separate folder. Let's create first a source folder. Then inside the source folder, let's create another folder named views. Then inside views, let's create screens. Then inside screen, let's create a new file. First file name is homescreen.js. Then another file for the registration form, registration screen.js. Then another file, login screen.js. First, for the home screen, we can copy this one and paste it here. Then we can change this one, or let's export this first. Export default home screen. Then change this into an arrow function, constant and return value. Let's first import the React Native components, the view text from React Native. Then let's import the home screen inside app.js. Let's pull this down. Import home screen. Then component is home screen. Let's try it. None of these files exist. Source, views, screens, home screen, home screen. And let's try to run it again. Able to result source, views, screens, home screen. Okay, let's try moving this inside source folder. Okay, it's now, yes, date. Then reload. What's the problem here? App.js, source, and home screen. Let's try doing it manually. Let's go here. Home screen. No. It's the same. What's the problem? Let's move it outside source folder. Yes. Let's try it again. It's already working. Let's try moving it back inside the source folder first. We're still getting the same error. Let's move it back inside screen.js. Then stop the development server and type in npm clean cache. Yes. Okay, let's start it again. Same error. Let's try this one. Is it not work? Let's move it back again. Yes. Oops, sorry. Wrong one. Should be home screen. It's not working. Let's move it inside views. Yes. Okay, it's working now. And move it back inside screen. Okay. Then we also import the remaining screens. Let's call the registration screen, then the home screen. Okay, then let's add it. Let's change this now to home screen. Oh, this is not home screen. Oh, the other one is login screen. Okay. Home screen, registration screen, and login screen. And the initial route name is Let's make it first to change this first to registration screen. But our registration screen doesn't have a content yet. So let's first copy this one, change this to registration screen, save, and reload. Oh, sorry. For login screen, we're now inside registration screen. So we currently have three screens: the registration screen, let's try the login screen, oops, the home screen, and back to registration screen.